Oh, but I feel like it's worth it. You got your tube, you got somebody. It's so fun. This is I'm looking forward to doing again soon. It's one of the longer ones. Okay, here we go. About to race down. Yeah. Whoa! 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 Oh my God! A lot of people are loving this one. Oh my gosh! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! That was one of the most intense ones yet. I was flying off the sides. Oh my god. So fun, we're gonna do it again. Ah! 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 Whoa! Wow! Now, like others around Walt Disney World, to go into the, you have the option, or you can just grab yours. There are a lot of steps to get to the top of this one, but stairs are, I believe, a different set of muscles. Whoa! Oh, I love this one because it's all open. You get these great views as you're going around. A lot of people are loving this one. Oh my gosh, here we go. Also fun too, but I like the outside where you can kind of see the sky. Whoa! Whoa! Personal best, 668. That was the best ever. Okay, so the secret is to kind of raise your rear off of the ground a little bit, and you go much further. Now that I've learned the tricks, you have to kind of get really far up in the tube, put your right up against that, and then at the very end, lift your rear off of the. Awesome. It's so wet. It's because I've tried both of the hot dogs before. Both are amazing. Highly recommend it.
Highly recommend.
But ice cream, waffle pieces, sprinkles, cookie pieces, hot fudge, caramel sauce, whipped cream, and a cherry. Wow, it sounds so good. I was thinking to myself, we've been there. It's good. But I also want to try something new. The Warming Hut has something called the honey butter sandwich. The moment I saw that, I said to myself, that's the one. We're gonna grab that
And give it a try together. Let's do it.
maybe the flavor that it's okay after trying this. Don't dislike it, right? You know, it's good, but you have to be like in the mood for like fried chicken versus, you know, just like a piece of chicken that has been fried.
Probably wouldn't go out of my way for it. Probably wouldn't get it again.
Freeze kiosk, they've got the half dozen, the dozen, the dipping sauce. It all looks so good. Sounds good. Until next time, have a magical day.